with replacement. Without replacement, not with replacement. Some student asked about this doubt, student. Three numbers are chosen at random without replacement from 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8. The probability that their minimum is 6. Minimum is 3. The probability that the minimum is 3. And given that their maximum is 6. Given that their maximum is 6. Underline these two conditions. Without replacement, first case. And second one, the probability that their minimum is 3. Minimum value 3. Given that their maximum is 6. You can't take values more than 6. Up to 6 only. Okay. Let the sample space contains what? Nana S is equal. Write down all values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. In this, given that their maximum is 6. Maximum 6. Maximum 6. You can't take 7, 8. 3 numbers are chosen at random. How many numbers are here? 3 numbers are chosen at random. Under the condition that given that their maximum is 6. Maximum 6 means you select the remaining 2. For example, if you select 6, remaining 2 from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let capital A be the event of selecting the maximum is 6, and this one. Capital A is equal to selecting maximum 6. In this condition, n of A is equal. Already one number is selected, Nana. We have to select how many numbers? 3 numbers. We have to select 3 numbers. Therefore, one number is selected means remaining 2. The remaining 2 can be selected from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5C2 ways. And this is given condition. In denominator, probability of B given A. Probability of B given A. What is our formula, student? Probability of B given A is equal to probability of B intersection A by probability of A. Sir, what is A? A is equal selecting maximum 6. And what is B? B is equal the required probability. The probability that their minimum is 3. Let B is equal to selecting minimum. Minimum is 3. Selecting maximum is 6 for A and selecting minimum is 3. Minimum 3 means you can select remaining all from these. Okay, remaining all from these. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can select this event can be selected as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this 6, already 3 is there. In this 5, you can take any 2. But probability of B intersection A is equal to what is our formula? Probability of B intersection A by probability of A. Probability of B intersection A means n of A intersection B by n of S. By denominator, n of A by n of S. N of S cancel. Already I explained this condition. N of A intersection B by n of A. In that multiplication theorem and conditional probability, no need of n of S, Nana, because n of S will be cancelled. You directly write down n of A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B is equal. Can anybody? What are common? And first case, 1, 2, 5. Selecting maximum out of 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second case, selecting minimum is 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Observe here.
4,
It is common or 4,
5.
4, 5. How many ways, Nana? That means n of A intersection B is equal. N of A intersection B is equal to only 2. Therefore, required probability. The probability of minimum number is 3. Given that their maximum is 6 is probability of B given by A. I am taking B from A only. Probability of B given by A. Conditional probability. Probability of given by A. Probability of B beyond A is equal to n of A intersection B by n of S, which is equal to 2 by 5C2. 2 by 5C2. It is equal to 2 by, the answer 5C2 value 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. Do the calculation, 4 cancel, answer 1 by 5. I'm asking one question, friends. Get ready and find the difference between these two. Three numbers are chosen. Second one, again same. Three numbers are chosen. Three numbers are chosen at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. Here up to 10. The probability that minimum of chosen numbers, the probability that minimum of chosen number is 3 or maximum is 7. Can anybody understand the difference between these two questions? Three numbers are chosen from 1 to 10. The probability that minimum of chosen number is 3 and maximum is 7. Can anybody? Minimum is equal to 3 and maximum is equal to 7. N of S is equal. Here sample space S is equal to, what is the difference between these two questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both are same or not? N of S is equal, you take three numbers out of this 10 in 10C3 ways. And next one, probability that minimum chosen number is 3. Minimum chosen number is 3. Means let capital A be the event of selecting 3. That means you select remaining two numbers from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many in total? 7. It is equal to, here write down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this condition, N of A is equal to 7C2. And before question, conditional probability. In this addition theorem, our condition is that the probability that minimum chosen number is 3. Or, this is keyword, or maximum is 7. Therefore, N of A is equal to 7C2. And B is equal to maximum 7. Selecting first case minimum 3 and selecting maximum 7. Selecting maximum 7 means remaining. What are numbers, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6. Therefore, N of B is equal to 6C2. What is our addition theorem? Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. That A intersection B, that is very, very important case. Here A intersection B is equal to how many elements are exist common? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. A intersection B is equal. Okay, na? Therefore, N of A intersection B is equal. You select the two numbers from these two. This is equal 3C. Okay, 3C1. One from that 7C2. I mean, one from A and one from this one. Of course, 3C2 is equal 3C1. Both are same. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. But write down 3C1. In this case only that is equal. Right. Therefore, probability of A union B is equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A value 7C2. So in all, 7C2 by 10C2. Observe here, in all condition denominator 10C2. You directly write down like this, Nana. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B by denominator N of S. Therefore, this total value N of A is equal to 7C2 plus 6C2 minus 3C1 by denominator N of S 10C2. Do the calculation. Anybody have doubts in these two questions? And first one, conditional probability.
Sir,
Sure. First question, this question.
సార్ అది C2 అంటే 3 ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి -1 చేసుకొని 2 తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
అవునండి. Already we selected one number, remaining 7 C2. Here also same case, selecting one number, remaining 2. But in A intersection B, only one. So we are selecting one from there, like that. Probability of A intersection A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Yes, and next.
సార్ 2 ఎలా తీసుకున్నారు సార్ మళ్ళొక్కసారి అర్థమైతే వన్ సెకండ్.
Okay. First, you see these 3 numbers. How many numbers are we are selecting and here? 3 numbers. Therefore, n of s is equal to our condition 10C3. Then the minimum chosen number is 3 or maximum is 7. Minimum 3. We are selecting already 3. Minimum number. And remaining how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You select remaining 2 numbers. Out of this remaining 7 digits, that n of A is equal to 7C2. Because already I select one number that is equal to 3. Because of that reason, n of n is equal to 7C2. Again, same condition. Maximum is 7. This one is equal to 7. Remaining numbers 1, 2, 6. In this also, already 7 is selected. 7 is selected means remaining 2 out of these 6 in 6C2 base. 7C2 plus 6C2. In this common element, 4, 5, 6. Already one number 3. If you consider second number 7. And any one of these two already selected means remaining 3C1. 7C2 plus 6C2 minus 3C1 by 10C3. Okay, Nandi? The minimum 3 means already minimum selected. We have to select only 2 numbers out of the remaining 7. That can be done in 7C2 ways.
క్వశ్చన్ లో 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలని ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా సార్, ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది?
3 numbers. 3 numbers.
నంబర్స్ అన్నందుకు ఫస్ట్ 3 కట్ చేసాము, 7 ఉన్నాయి.
అవును, ఇక్కడ చూడండి 3. n of s is equal to what you have taken first of all 10C3. Why you are taking n of s is equal to 10C3? 3 numbers are selected. Total 3 కాబట్టి 3 అండి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, ప్రాబబిలిటీ దట్ మినిమం చూసే నెంబర్ ఇస్ 3. మినిమం 3 కావాలి అంటున్నాను నేను. ఒక 3 నెంబర్ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను, 3 అయిపోయింది. రిమైనింగ్ 2 దట్ కెన్ బి సెలెక్టెడ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 7 ఇన్ 7C2 వేస్ అండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ మినిమం చూసింది 3 ఆర్ మాక్సిమం 7. మీరు ఇదైనా తీసుకోండి లేదా ఇదైనా తీసుకోండి, బోత్. దట్స్ వై బోత్ కేస్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి.
అంటే 1+2 తీసుకుంటే 3 వస్తుందని అట్లా తీసుకుంటున్నామా సార్?
1+2 అన్నప్పుడు 1+2 ఫైనల్ గా 3 అవుతుందని. ఆల్రెడీ 1 టేకెన్. రిమైన్ 2.
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంటుందండి. 1 person is already selected. For example, in a cricket team, simple example, in a cricket team, we consider that Dhoni is captain. Dhoni is captain means remaining we should select only 10 members, not 11 members. Already decided. ధోని కెప్టెన్ అయిపోయాడు కాబట్టి మనకి ఏం చేయాలంటే 11 మెంబర్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు క్రికెట్ లో. 10 మెంబర్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. వై ఆర్ టేకింగ్ 10 members? Cricket team contains 10 members. 11 members means already captain is there. We are selected captain. That's why 10 members. Here also 3 is already there.
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు బాగా యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇఫ్ ఏ అండ్ బి ఆర్ సీకింగ్ అడ్మిషన్స్ ఇంటూ ఐఐటి, ఏ అండ్ బి ఆర్ seeking admission to IIT, if the probability of A, if the probability of capital A is 0.5 and both is 0.3. The utmost probability of B, the utmost probability of B is, again same condition here. Probability of A is given. A comma B are 2 students who are going to join the admission in IIT, and probability of capital A is equal to 0.5. and both means probability of A intersection B is equal 0.3, then at most probability of B. Given clearly, probability of A is equal to 0.5 and probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.3. Okay. Now probability of A union B is equal, or formula, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. We are going to find the value of B at most. Therefore, probability of B is equal, these two cases left side now. That is probability of A B is equal probability of left side A union B minus probability of A intersection B left side plus probability of A intersection B. Probability of B as seriously. At most means in the condition, the probability of A union B is equal to maximum 1. You take this one less than or equal to 1, and probability of A is equal to 0.5 and A intersection B is equal to 0.3. At most means write down this less than or equal to probability of A union B maximum 1. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. And probability of A 0.5 and probability of A intersection B 0.3. That is probability of A less than or equal to 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.3. Answer 0.8. A union B, sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. At least condition means you take that probability of A union B is equal to 1. The maximum value of probability of A union B. That's why I am taking less than or equal to. At most condition is given. Next, one more condition. A number is chosen from first. A number is chosen from first 1 to 100. I mean first 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural numbers. Actually in textbook they give 1 to 100. I wrote this for first natural numbers, 100 natural numbers for convenience. The probability that it is, the probability that it is a multiple of 4 or 6. A multiple of 4 or 6. How many? A number is chosen from the first 100 natural numbers, 1 to 100. 1 to 100. The probability that it is a multiple of 4 or 6. S is equal 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. N of S is equal to, you take one number from this 100 in 100 C1 is equal to 100. Okay, the probability that is multiple of 4 and multiple of 6. They may ask these type of questions. Only multiple of 4. How many numbers are it? Multiple of 4. Up to 100, how many multiples of 4? N of A is equal. N of A is equal 25. 25 4 is 100. If don't know, use that formula. Tn and N of S is equal to 100 C1, which is equal to 100. And capital A is equal to multiple of 4, that is N of A is equal to 25. And capital B is equal to multiple of 6, N of B is equal to. Can anybody? How many numbers are exist? Up to 100, how many factors of 6? How many factors of 6? How many factors of 6? ఐడియా లేదా అండి? 68. ఎలా వచ్చిందండి? 96 తీసుకొని 96 ని 1660 అని రాశారు. If you don't know that one, divide the last number, you consider that one is equal to Tn. For example, Tn is equal to 96. Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to 96. With the help of this one, we can find any number. Okay? AP, because moreover that follows multiple of 4 or multiple of 6. These two are okay. And third condition, of course, n of A is equal to 25, n of B is equal to 60. N of A intersection B, and this one is very, very important. How you find A intersection B? A intersection, common elements. And what are the common elements? In this case, you just find the LCM of 4, 6. LCM 12. Factors of 12 are the common factors of both 4 and 6. Okay, that is 12. Write down here. A intersection by 12, 24, 36. Next one, 48, 64, 60, 72, 96. That's it, Nana? 46 to 74, 84, 96. Therefore, n of A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12. Probability of A union B is equal to n of A value 25 plus 16 minus 8 by 100. Do the calculation. 16 minus 88, 8 plus 25, 33, 33 by 100. In exam, they may ask big number. To find that factors, use that formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Like next one. The results of an examination in 2 papers. The results of exam in 2 papers. Somewhat different question. 2 papers, capital A and B. Capital A and B for $20 candidates. For 20 candidates were recorded as follows, or you simply write down, 8 passed in paper A. 8 passed in paper A, comma, 7 passed, 7 member passed in paper B. 8 members passed in paper A and 7 members passed in paper B. Paper B, and 8 failed. Observe the condition. 8 failed in both, not passed. 8 failed in both the papers, both. If one selected, if one selected at random, if one selected at random, the probability that the candidates, the probability that the candidates or students, that the students has failed, not for students, has failed in A or B, has failed in A or B. Observe the question, very long question. The results of exam in 2 papers, capital A and B, for 20 students are 8% passed in paper A, 8% passed in paper A, and 7% are passed in paper A, and 8 failed in both paper A and B. 8 failed in both paper A and B. If one selected at random, the probability that the students has failed in A or B. We have to find what? Probability of selecting the students is failed both A and B. You can observe here. Number of
A union B.
A union B means A passed, B passed. They ask failed, not passed. Intersection means both. both false. They didn't give both false. N of B is equal to 7. N of A is equal to 8. N of B is equal to 7. Okay. Total how many students? N of S is equal, already given. N of S is equal this one, 20 students. Therefore, P of A is equal. P of A is equal to 8 by 20 and P of B is equal to 7 by 20. Both failed. Both failed means probability of A complement intersection B complement. I mean N of A complement intersection B complement. We have to find probability of A complement union B complement. Both failed means in this condition we have to find probability of A complement union B complement. Not passed, failed. Passed means probability of A union B. A complement means that is probability of A complement plus probability of B complement minus probability of A complement intersection B complement. A complement value 1 minus probability of A, 1 minus probability of B. This one clearly given. Probability of A complement intersection B complement. 8 failed in both. And probability of A complement intersection B complement is equal to 8. Okay. They passed 8 by 27. Not 8, sorry. This one probability of A complement intersection B complement. Substitute all values 1 minus probability of A. You directly do it. 20 minus 8.
Sir, probability of B 7 by 20 na sir?
7 by 20. I wrote 2. Okay. Always N of S greater than. Okay, remember that probability lies between 0, 1, that is 7 by 20. Right. 1 minus probability of 8 by 20. Do the calculation. 2 minus 8 at 12 by 20, 13 by 20 minus 8 by 20. 12 by 20, 13 by 20 minus 8 by 20, 25 minus 8. Is it 17 by 20? Not success cases, here they give failure cases also. Everyone, try to listen this question. A husband and wife appear in an interview. A husband and wife appear in an interview for 2 vacancies in the same post. 2 vacancies in the same post. Both husband and wife are appeared. The probability of husband selection is 1 by 7. P of H is equal. Husband selection P of H is equal to 1 by 7. And probability of wife selection P of W is equal to 1 by 5. The probability that both of them will be selected. The probability that both of them will be selected. Can anybody? P of H is equal to 1 by 7 and P of W is equal to 1 by 5. Both will be selected. Yes.
2 by 12.
1 by 7 probability of husband. Wife probability of W is equal to 1 by 5. Both selected. Both selected means both means we have to use what? Probability of A intersection B. That is probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of into probability of A into probability of A. These two are independent events. ఎవరు బాగా చదివితే వాళ్ళకి జాబ్ వస్తుంది వేకెన్సీ ఉంటే. That is equal to 1 by 7 into 1 by 5. 1 by 35 answer. ఈ మూడో సమ్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. 1 by 35. Right, next one. 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability. I mean the probability of, not find. The probability of getting a sum of. Probability of, simple question. Getting a sum of 7 points. Sum of 7 points. If it is known. If it is known, what is the meaning of this one? It is known that the two dice are showing Two dice are showing. Two dice are showing different numbers. Different numbers is. Two dice are showing different numbers is. Can anybody? Two dice are thrown. The probability of getting a sum of 7 points, it is known that the two dice has different numbers. How many different numbers? It is known, that means the meaning of this one is a keyword, and this one is given that. Given that. That means we have to select the required probability from this condition. Conditional probability. Conditional probability. It is known that the two dice are showing different numbers. Can anybody? How many different numbers? You consider that is equal to n of a. How many different numbers when two dice are thrown? When two dice are thrown means automatically 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. How many? 36 minus 6, that is equal 30. Sir, how 6? Total numbers 1, 1, 1, 2, so on. Sample space contain all these. Then last one is 6, 6. In this common, same number means only 6. That is 1, 1. Same number. Same number occurs on the face of the die. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. How many total? 6 cases. Different numbers means 36 minus 6, that is equal 30. In this, the probability of getting sum of 7 points, some 7 cases. Very simple. Some 7 cases. That B is equal to sum 7. I mean actually B intersection A. Sum 7. Sum 7 means what are the cases? 1, 6. First case. And second one, 2, 5. Next one, 3, 4. And next one, 4, 3. And later, 5, 2 and 6, 1. How many count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, P of A is equal. You directly write down this one. And now P of B is equal this one, 6. 6 by 36, not P of A. Probability of B given by A is equal to 6 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 6. Without using that conditional probability, you can directly write this question, this type of question. It is known that and given that these conditions are given. Okay, students? And one more question, simple question. In selecting two cars, two cars are going to select here at a time with replacement. At a time, the word is important. With replacement. You try to understand the difference between the questions. With replacement. With replacement from a deck, I mean pack of cards. The probability. The probability that the second card is the second card is yes, an ace card, a card. Given that the first card was a face card. The first card was a face card. Simple question. Can anybody? First card was a face card is. Given that condition is given, means conditional probability is there. We are going to select two cards at a time with replacement. The probability that the second card is, just we have to find the value of probability of second card. Probability of second card is an ace card given that first card was face card. First card was face card. How many face we have, Nana? How many face cards?
9.
Face cards. 12. Jack, Queen, King. Every suit contains 3. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. The probability of selecting face card is equal. First one is face card. Okay. P of F is equal in this 12 by denominator 52. I mean 12C1 by 52. But here one condition is there with replacement. Card తీసాడు first card. అక్కడ పడేసాం. Again same pack of card వేస్తాం. That is said to be with replacement. Without replacement means a card మనం దాచిపెట్టాం అనుకోవచ్చు. With replacement we keep it again in that shoot and that set. Okay. Therefore on that condition also there is no change to find the second card for n of s. In this condition probability of selecting ace card no change. N of s is as clearly that is equal to 52. N of s is equal to 52. Here we have how many face cards? We have total face cards 4. Therefore your answer 4C1 by 52C1 that is equal to 4 by 52. Answer 4 by 52. Try to understand the question with replacement. Without replacement, with replacement. Next. 10 cards numbered 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 10 cards numbered numbered 1 to 10 are replaced in a box. Are placed in a box. All are fixed in a box. Mixed up thoroughly, of course. And then one card is drawn. And one card is drawn. I'm going to take only one card. And then randomly, if it is known that the number 1, if it is known that the number on the drawn card, the number on the drawn card, the number on the drawn card is more than 3. What is the probability? What is the probability that it is an even number? That it is an even number. Can anybody? Simple question. One more question. Try to understand the question. 10 cards are drawn. How many cards? Total 10. 10 cards numbered, not drawn. 10 cards numbered 1 to 100 are placed in a box. In a box contains 10 cards which are numbered with 1 to 10. And one card is drawn. If it is known that the number on the card drawn is more than 3, what is the probability that is an even number? Sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down all. That will clarify your doubts. It is known that on the drawn card is more than 3. More than 3 means N of S is equal in this condition. More than 3 means
7.
7. How many? Therefore, you can select out of these 7. That number is an even number. Even number means more than 7. How many even numbers, Nana? A is equal to, N of A is equal to
4. 4.
Yes, N of A is equal to, write down 7C1, 7, 4, 6, 8, 10. Therefore, N of B is equal. N of B is equal to 4. probability of B given A is equal to answer 4/7. Actually, that is of n of B intersection A is equal to 4C1 4. What are that numbers? 4, 6, 8, 10. 4 even numbers. Okay, next one. 3 cards are drawn successively. 3 cards. 3 cards are drawn. 3 cards are drawn. Of course, total 52 cards without replacement. Without replacement. From out of 52 cards. Out of 52 cards, the probability that first two. The probability that first two are kings. First two are king cards. Kings. And the third card drawn is ace. And the third card drawn is ace card. And ace card is dash. Blanks. Anybody? 3 cards are drawn. How many cards here? 3 cards are drawn without replacement out of 52 cards. The probability that first 2 cards are kings and third one is ace card. First 2 cards are kings. First, n of s is equal. How many kings we have? How many kings we have?
4, sir.
4 kings. Therefore, how you draw that first 2 cards? And third one is ace. You directly write it. Required probability, simply P of required condition or required probability. No need of any formula. Biologically. First 2 cards are kings. Without replacement means, the word without replacement means you can take one after the other. Okay, na? We have 4 king cards and 4
4C1,
ace cards.
3C1.
No. Okay. 4.
4C1,
4.
3C1.
Just we are selecting here. No need of arrangement actually. You can take required probability is equal first one 4/52. First one 4/52. I'm going to take one king card out of these 52. First one. Then automatically that box contains, which contains that 52 cards. This total box contains only 51. Why? Because already we had taken one card. Therefore, next case. Second one also king. Okay. Write down for convenience. Required probability, that is probability of king, yes, like this order. King, ace card. That is equal to first one king, 4/52. And second case, box contains only 51 cards. Why? Because already we have taken one king card. And we have only 3 king cards. Okay. Total 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First one completed. First one completed, go for second one. Go for second one means we have 3 options. Okay. Therefore, 3 by automatically 51. Close. Again, box contains 50 cards only. In this, we have 4 yes, no doubt here. Okay. In this, you have 4 yes. In this, only one means your answer 4/50. 4/52 into 3/51 into 4/50. Simplification ఇచ్చాడండి, కంపల్సరీ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది ఒక ఎగ్జామ్లో. And one more question.
Sir, without replacement ante అర్థం.
Without replacement means, for example, ఆ బాక్స్ లో వేసాము, మళ్ళీ అక్కడ పెట్టలేదు, తీసుకున్నామంటే.
Okay, sir.
We use that one. We use that one.
Okay, sir.
Used. Right. One more question, series question. The probability of drawing 2 red balls in a section. The probability of drawing 2 red balls. 2 red balls in section, one after the other, from a bag. From a bag containing 4 red balls and 5 black balls. From a bag containing 4 red balls and 5 black balls. 4 red balls and 5 black balls. 5 black balls. When the ball that is drawn first is not replaced. When the ball that is drawn first is not replaced. First one is not replaced. I mean, replacement is not done. First one is not replaced. We are using that first one. Is. Once again, read the question. The probability of drawing 2 red balls in successive, one after the another, from a bag containing 4 red balls and 5 black balls, when the ball that is drawn, first one is not replaced. First one is not replaced. Can anybody? How you select that 2 red balls, one after the another? Same model, one after the other. Box contains how many balls on total? 4 red balls and 5 black balls. Total balls are 9. Yes.
4 by 9 into 3 by 8, sir.
Very good, very good. Completed. You understand this topic, I think. Therefore, required probability is equal. First one, you select one red from these how many? 4 red balls. This can be done in 4 by 9. Already one ball is used means then we have 3 and 3 by 8. That's it. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, and 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Answer 1 by 6, 3 2 ja 6. Right, students, one more condition. Independent events. What are independent events? First of all, independent events.
Okay,
Independent event.
వేరే ఈవెంట్ ఆధారపడకపోతే దాన్ని ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఈవెంట్.
Yes. Let capital A comma B are capital A comma B are 2 events. 2 events in a sample space. In a sample space, then probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Okay, that not influence the second one. Capital A does not influence the second one. You simply write down probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Then A comma B are said to be independent events. Independent events. In this, we have one question, calculation question. You just understand. Let capital A is equal. A comma B are independent events. They clearly mention that capital A is equal to, I mean, probability of A is equal to 0.2. The given values here. and probability of B is equal to 0.5. Then find all this. Probability of A given B. And second one, probability of B given A. And third one, probability of A intersection B. And fourth one, probability of A union B. Simple question. Here A comma B are independent events. They can mention here A comma B are independent events. Independent events. Where A comma B are independent events, probability of A given B is equal to first one. Probability of A given B is equal to formula. Probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B. You directly write down this one P of A, only numerator. Why? Why? Because probability of A given B is equal to our formula, probability of A intersection B by probability of B by using conditional probability, where probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. That is P of A into P of B by probability of B. And the two are cancel, your answer is probability of A. Numerator lo A value unte ade vachestadi. Therefore, first one probability of A given B is equal to 0.2. First one answer 0.2. And similarly, second one automatically probability of B given A is equal to probability of B, which is equal to 0.5. Because of that reason, B given A is equal to probability of B intersection A by probability of A. Probability of B intersection A is equal to probability of B into probability of A. A cancel, we get A. Similarly, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, that is 0.2 into 0.5, 1.01. And finally, last one, with the help of all this, we can find probability of A union B. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Write down all this. We will see one question here. Let B1 contains 4 white and by using that independent condition. Let B1 contains 4 white and 2 black balls. 4 white and 2 black balls. B2 contains, second box, B2 contains 3 white and 4 black balls. 3 white and 4 black balls. Okay, 3 white and 4 blacks. A bag is drawn at random. A bag is drawn at randomly. There are 2 bags, first one B1 and second one B2. Random, and a ball is chosen. And a ball is chosen. Both conditional probability, chosen randomly. What is the probability that the ball is white? What is the probability that the ball is white? That the ball will become white. Anybody? Observe the condition. Try to read the condition once again. A bag B1 contains 4 white balls and 2 black balls. First bag contains 4 white and 2 black. Second ball B2 contains 3 white and 4 black balls. A bag is drawn randomly and a ball is chosen, what is the probability that the ball is white? There are two bags in this, different kinds of balls are there. Okay, here write down, make a chart. Bag B1 and bag B2. There are two bags. B1 contains white balls. How many white? And B2 contains black balls. How many black? Like that. B1 contains 4 white and 2 black balls, and B2 contains 3 white and 4 black balls. Now tell me, how you select? A bag is drawn at random and a ball is chosen. What is the probability that the ball is white? Probability of drawing first two bags. There are two ways. Okay, bag B1 one case and bag B2 one case. Bag B1, bag B2. Probability of selecting any bag, P of B1 is equal to 1 by 2 and P of B2 is equal to 1 by 2. Because why 1 by 2? There are two bags. That's why probability of selecting first bag 1 by 2, second bag 1 by 2. Represent. Okay. And remember, for example, there are three bags is given. Probability of drawing bag B1 is equal to 1 by 3, bag B2 is equal to 1 by 3, and bag B3 is equal to 1 by 3. And next one, probability of drawing white ball from B1. B1 ball నుంచి మనం white ball తీస్తున్నామండి. We are picked white ball from B1 bag. Okay. How many white balls here? 4. That is equal to 4 by 4 plus 2, 6 is equal to 2 by 3. And second case, probability of drawing a white ball from bag B2. That bag B2 contains how many white balls? Here, bag B2 contains 3 white balls. Out of this 3 plus 4, 7. Therefore, this one 3 by 7. 3 by 7. And finally, our question is the probability of drawing a white ball from any one of these two. That is probability of white ball, required probability, is equal to probability of W intersection B1. White ball intersection B1 plus W intersection B2. Try to understand this condition. White ball common with B1, white ball common with B2. By using that conditional probability, this one can be written as probability of B1 into probability of white ball taken from B1. And here probability of B2 into probability of white ball taken from B2. White ball taken from B2. Okay, substitute all these values. Probability of B1 value 1 by 2 into white ball taken from B1 is equal to 2 by 3 plus probability of B2 is equal to 1 by 2 into white ball taken from B3 is equal to 3 by 7. Do the calculation. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. 2 3 ja 6, 7 2 ja 14. LCM. Of course, 2 2 cancel. 1 by 3 plus 3 by 14. 14 3 ja 42. Numerator 23. 23 by 42. Okay, now students, calculation correct only. In this, no options. 23 by 42. Yes. One more question here. Contradiction question. ఎవరండి మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్, A speaks truth. Maybe you may did the question. Important sum. A speaks truth in in 75% of cases and B in 80%. B in 80%. What is the probability that? What is the probability that their statements only, yes, their statements and incident do not match? An incident do not match. Their statements and incidents do not match. What is the meaning of this one? A speaks truth in 75% of cases and B in 80% of the cases. What is the probability that the statements and incidents do not match? Anybody? B of A is equal to 75% means 75 by 100. 25 3 ja, 25 4 ja. And probability of B is equal to 80 by 100. 24 ja and 25 ja. Write down automatically A complement. Why means do not match condition is there. Probability of A complement is equal 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 implies probability of B complement is equal 1 minus 4 by 5. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1 by 5. The probability that their statements and incidents do not match means, for example, if A tells truth, automatically B tells lies. Do not match. నేను ఏం చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, మీరు అబద్ధం చెప్పాలి. నేను అబద్ధం చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలి. That is do not match. Probability of A intersection B complement. A tells truth, B tells lie. A complement intersection B. A tells lie and B tells truth. And these two are independent events. There is no condition. Probability of A into probability of B complement plus probability of A complement into probability of B. It implies probability of A is equal to A value 3 by B complement. This one B complement is equal to 1 by 5. And A complement 1 by 4. Probability of B is equal to 4 by 5. Do the calculation. Seven by 20.
7 by 20. Like this, we have one more question in the same method. A problem in calculus is given in two students, A and B, whose chances of solving is 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. For example, a problem solved by A and B, whose chances are 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Find the probability of the problem being solved if both of them try independently. Both of them try independently. Can anybody? A problem solved by A and B. P of A is equal, given that from 1 by 3 and probability of B is equal to 1 by 4. A problem solved by A is 1 by 3 and B is solved by means probability here. B is 1 by 4. Next, find the probability of the problem being solved. Find the probability of the problem being solved. If both of them try independently. If both of them try independently. Anybody? Both of them try independently. Means A comma B are independent events, that is probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Probability of A is equal to 1 by 3 and probability of B is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. You try to understand this line. Probability of being solved. Being solved means probability of A union B. Again, addition theorem. Is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. A value 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay. And A intersection B is equal. Both are independent, means write down this one 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Means what? Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Do the calculation first.
One by 2.
1 by 2 or 1 by 12?
6 by 12. 1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
Okay. Next one. 3 faces of fair dye are yellow, 2 faces are red and 1 blue. Next question. 3 faces of a fair dye. A fair dye are yellow. Dye contains 3 yellow faces and 2 red faces. 2 red faces and 1 blue. 1 blue face. Total 6. The die is thrown. The die is thrown 2 times. Twice. The probability that first throw will be yellow face and second be blue. The probability that first throw is yellow and second one is blue. First throw is yellow and second one is blue. Blue faces. Can anybody? These two are independent or not? If independent, why? If not, why? Okay. Die contains 6 faces. In these 3 faces are yellow and 2 are red faces and 1 is blue. Okay. Throwing a die, tossing a coin. All these are independent events. Okay. First one may occur red one. Second may occur red one. Third may occur yellow one. Fourth one blue, like that. There are different chances. No influence the first one to second one to first one. All are independent events, first of all. The dice is thrown twice, 2 times. The probability that first throw be yellow and second one is blue. How many yellows we have? Probability of, n of y is equal to, n of y is equal to, and n of red is equal to, n of y 3, not 2. N of red is equal to, and n of blue is equal to 1. Always n of s, 6. Don't write 6 into 6. Okay, one after the another. The probability that first row is yellow and second one is blue. Therefore, P of A is equal. First one P of yellow is equal. How many yellow cases we have? 3. Therefore, that one is equal 3 by 6. Probability of yellow is given. Therefore, probability of second one blue, nana, and blue by yellow. Yellow complete, and later next one also blue. How many? 1 by 6. 3 by 6 into 1 by 6. First case 3 by 6. Why? Because we have 3 yellow cases, 3 by total cases 6. And second one automatically only 1. 1 by 6. 3 by 6 into 1 by 6. That's it. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Your answer 1 by 12. Same one more question. Listen. If I die is tossed twice, 2 times. the probability of getting 4, 5, 6 on the first task and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the second task. Die is thrown 2 times. First task 4, 5, 6 and second task 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, that's 4 only. First task 1, we should get 4, 5, 6 and task 2. In this condition, they give 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Again, I am reading this question. Try to do this question. A fair die is tossed twice. The probability of getting 4, 5, 6 on the first task and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the second task is equal to options 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. In anybody. First task, how many chances? 3 out of 6, 3 by 6. Second task, how many chances? 4 out of 6, 4 by 6. 3 by 6 into 4 by 6. Okay, students? Right. Here one more concept. Who will first, who will second like that concept? For example, 2 persons game. Yeah, 2 batches. 2-person game. 2-person game, we have 3-person game like this. They may ask this 2-person game. If P and Q are the probability of success, if P and Q are the probability of success, okay, they give only success, probability of success, comma, failure. Q is there. First one probability of success and second one probability of failure of a game. In which A and B, in which capital A and B play. This two are playing and A starts the game. And A starts the game. A starts the game. Then they give what? No, only success case. The probability of A wins and the probability of B wins. So that is also question. They may give in this numbers also. If P and Q are the probability of success and failures of a game in which A and B play. If A starts the game, first one, then the probability of A wins the game. Then the probability of capital A wins the game. We have B wins the game, second case. Can anybody? If A and B are tossing a coin, A and B rolling a die, whatever it may be, then find the probability of A wins the game. In this condition, P is success case and Q is failure case. For example, a die is thrown. Getting 3 is success case. Remaining all are failure case. Getting 3 means that can be done in only 1. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 success case P and failure case remaining 5. 5 by 6. P is equal to 1 by 6 and Q is equal to 5 by 6. Then find the probability of A wins the game. Can anybody? Probability of A wins the game is equal to Q, P, and probability of A complement is equal to automatically given that is equal to Q. I mean, B lose the game, that is equal to Q. You simply write that wins the game. Success case. Success case wins the game. Wins the game means P. Lose the game. That is equal to Q. Right. If A starts the game, clearly mention that A starts the game. Probability of A wins under the condition probability of A starts the game. Probability of A starts the game. Can anybody? Some long answer. If A starts the game, for example, I have 2 coins or 2 dice. 2 dice. If 3 is shown on the top of the dice, I won the game. Remaining cases, I lose the game. When a die is tossed, for example, I am A, you are B, Nana. When a die is tossed, 3 get. I get 3. I won the game. Game up. I won't give the die to yourself. Okay? In that case, first case only P. There are different cases occur. First case P. Die నాకు ఇచ్చారమ్మా, డై త్రో చేశాను, 3 పడింది, గేమ్ అప్, గేమ్ క్లోజ్, మీకు ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమీ లేదు. అండ్ సెకండ్ కేస్, I got other than 3 means fail. I fail. I gave the die to you. Automatically that will pass to you. You also fail. And again I won. Repeated. నేను ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాను, మీకు ఇచ్చాను, మీరు ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారు, నాకు ఇచ్చేస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు పి. QQP. సెకండ్ కేస్. అండ్ థర్డ్ కేస్, I lose the game, you lose the game. I lose the game, you lose the game. I won the game. Like that. Plus so on. All these are why you are writing only you win. Already clearly mentioned that A won the game. A won the game. A won the game. Probability of A wins is equal probability with A starts the game. Therefore P. First I won the game. Game up. So why you happen like this? This case may be happened, yes. I lose, you lose, I won the game. And later, I lose, you lose, I lose, you lose, I won the game. And next one also. In all odd cases, capital A won the game. In all odd cases, first case here 3, here 5, so on, like that. From all these, I took P common. And remaining value 1 plus Q into Q, Q square, and Q power 4, so on, like that. Infinite series, GP, A by 1 minus R. And P is equal to 1 by 1 minus Q square. The probability of A wins the game is equal to 1 by 1 minus Q square. Sir, B wins the game, how to get? No problem. For example, this value is equal to some 2 by 3. The probability of B wins is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to some 1 by 3, like that. Okay, students, write down. You need the game in the condition. We can write B wins the game also.
Sir, అక్కడ
Even yes.
P of 1 plus Q square plus Q power 4 plus so on ఇచ్చారు కదా, కింది సెట్ లో P of 1 by 1 minus Q square అని ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నాం?
S infinity. S infinity. S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay. Where the series is 1 plus A square plus so on up to infinity. In GP, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Probability of B wins is equal to 1 minus of this condition. For example, this one 5 by 6, answer 1 minus 5 by 6. Like that. If you take 3% also, we get same thing like this. Maybe Q cube. Value success are same when 3% is given. Q cube P, first one same and second one Q cube P square. Q P square. 3 cases of the answer 1 by P by 1 by Q square. Should the sorry. When 3%. 3% game. The persons are A comma B comma C. Okay. P is equal to 1. 1 cases, success cases P, and failure cases always this one is equal to Q. Probability of A1. Again same case. When P game up. And second case A lose, B lose, C lose, A1. A lose, B lose, C lose, A1. And next one. A lose, B lose, C lose. A lose, B lose, C lose, A1. plus so on. In this condition, I took p common, remaining 1 plus q plus q power 6, right? P by 1 minus q. Okay, Nandi? P by 1 minus q. B wins దగ్గర మనకి QP by వస్తుంది. Probability of B win is equal to QP by 1 minus QQ. Okay, you write down that one. Sometimes they may ask the ratio. Here, QP by 1 minus QQ and probability of C1 is equal. And QP by 1 minus QQ. They may ask the ratio. Probability of A is to probability of B is to probability of C. Denominators cancel. Numerators, what we have, P is to QP is to Q square P. PP cancel. 1 is to Q is to Q square. It chance undandi. Okay. The probability of their ratios, wins of their ratios is equal to 1 is to Q square. 1 is to Q square. Q value sum lo vaade manaki ichestaadu. Probability of first success cases P is equal some 3 by 6. Failure cases is equal some 2 by 6, like that they may given. Okay. Ratio of all this is equal to 1 is to Q square. Probability, the ratio of their wins. And one sum, right? In a shooting test, probability of A comma B comma C. Probability of A comma B comma C hitting the target. Hitting the target 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3 comma 3 by 4 respectively, like this. If all of them fire at the same target, I mean same balloon, like that, same target. First one, only one of them hit the target. Only one of them hit the target. And second case, at least one of them. At least one of them hit the target. Only one of them hit the target and at least one of them hit the target. In anybody. P of A is equal. In a shooting test, the probability of A comma B comma C hitting a target is 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. And probability of A is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of A is equal to 1 by 2. Immediately write down probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And probability of B is equal to 2 by 3. Implies probability of B complement is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3. And probability of C is equal to 3 by 4. It implies probability of C complement is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. If all of them fire at the same target, only one of them hit the target, at least one of them hit the target. What is the meaning of these two? Only one of them. One will pass, remaining are fail. One will pass, remaining are fail. Means what? A pass, B fail, C fail. That is probability of A intersection, B complement intersection, C complement. You directly write down probability of A, probability of B complement into probability of C complement. Second case, B pass, A fail, C fail. That is probability of A complement into probability of B into probability of C complement. And third one, A fail, B fail, only pass. AC. That is probability of A complement into probability of B complement into probability of C. Okay. And substitute all values here. Probability of A value 1/2 into B complement 1/3 C complement 1/4. A complement 1/2 B 2/3 and C complement 1/4. A complement 1/2 B complement 1/3 and C probability of C is equal to 3/4. Do the calculation, students. Only one of them hit the target, means remaining are fail. And second one, at least one of them. Can anybody know at least? At least one of them hit the target. We have one logic condition, I said already. At least one of them hit the target means at least one of them hit the target. Minus
No one hit the target. Zero.
all fail. Fail, not zero. 1 minus total means here 1. 1 minus probability of A complement intersection B complement intersection B complement C complement. That is probability of A complement into probability of B complement into probability of C complement. 1 minus all complements 1/2 into 1/3 into 1/4. 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24 minus 1 23/24. Second one. First one calculation
1/4.
1/4. 24 LCM 1 plus 2 plus 3. 4
24.
by 1/6 I think. 1 6. So 1
6
plus
by
yes 6/24 1/4 1/4.
6/24.
Yes 6/24 1/4.
సార్ సెకండ్ కేస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ యూనియన్ బి యూనియన్ సి తీసుకోకూడదా?
ఏ యూనియన్ బి అట్లీస్ట్ మనకి ఆ కేసు రాదండి. ఏ యూనియన్ బి 1 minus all phase fail. ఓకేనండి. రైట్ సార్, రిమైనింగ్ రేపు చూద్దాం. ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ నెక్స్ట్. సార్ ఉన్నారా? మీరు ఏమైందండి ఇప్పుడు నన్ను అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ దమ్ విత్ టార్గెట్ కదండి, ఎవరు అడిగారు? సమ్వన్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ యూనియన్ బి యూనియన్ సి అట్లీస్ట్ వస్తుందండి ఆ కేసు. ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ యూనియన్ బి యూనియన్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ బి ప్లస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సి మైనస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి మైనస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ బి ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ సి మైనస్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సి ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఏ plus probability of A intersection B intersection C. That may be very large. Use this condition. Better to use this condition. 1 minus all fail. Right, students, remaining tomorrow. Sir, ఉన్నారా?
సార్
చెప్పండి.
సార్
చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ సార్. ఏ బ్యాగ్ కంటైన్స్ 5 బ్లూ, 7 green and 8 white balls. If 2 balls are drawn randomly, what is the probability of getting 1 blue ball and 1 white ball? ఇందులో ఇంతకుముందు మనం చేసాం కదా సార్, అది ఇట్లా డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో అలా చేయొద్దా సార్?
ఇక్కడ మనకి కండిషన్ తర్వాత లాస్ట్ వన్ ఏమన్నారు? ఎండ్ అడిగారా మీరు? ఎండే కదా. టోటల్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
What is the probability of getting one blue ball and one white ball?
వన్ వైట్ అండ్ కండిషన్ కదండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హౌ మెనీ బ్లూ బాల్స్?
అవును సార్, and condition ఉంది.
అండ్ కండిషన్ హౌ మెనీ బ్లూ
5
బాల్స్?
blue balls.
హౌ మెనీ వైట్ బాల్స్?
Blue are 8 sir. 8 white balls.
You said another one. Third one?
Third one 7 green sir.
గ్రీన్ కండిషన్ ఏమి లేదు అండి. మొత్తం యాడ్ చేయండి. 5 + 8 + 7. ఓకే, 5 + 8 + 7 13 + 20
20 sir. 20.
20 C2 కదా, 10 to C2 అవుతుంది. మీరు కండిషన్ చెప్పట్లే ఎండ్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ వన్ టేక్ వన్ బ్లూ బాల్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 5 C1 into 8 C1 5 into 8 by 20 into C2. మీరు వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది అన్నారు కండిషన్ ఏం చెప్పలే కదండి, ఎండ్ అని తీసుకున్నారు కదా.
లేదు సార్, ఓన్లీ and అని చెప్పారు అంతే. If 2 balls are drawn randomly, what is the probability of getting one blue ball and one white ball?
Yes, 5 C1 into 8 C1 by 20 C2.
Okay.
Taking one
సార్
blue
ఇంతకు
ball
మనం
and
చేసాం
one
కదా
white
సార్, 5 by 20 into 8 by 90 అలా తీసుకోవద్దు సార్.
ఇంటూ లేదండి వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది అనేది కండిషన్ యూస్ చేస్తే మాత్రం అది తీసుకోవాలి.
వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది అదర్.
అంటే ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ఏం చెప్పలేదు కదండి. మీరు మాకు కండిషన్ ఏమని చెప్తే అనుకోవచ్చు, మీరు కండిషన్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ అప్లై చేయలేదు కదా.
ఏం చెప్పలేదు సార్.
చెప్పలేదు కాబట్టి వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆ కండిషన్. అండ్ అక్కడ మనకి టోటల్ బాల్స్ మనకి మెన్షన్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు మనకి 20 అవుతుంది, నెక్స్ట్ కేసు 19 వస్తుంది. ఎలాగో ఒక బాల్ పిక్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి randomly means 20. Correct.
ఓకే సార్, ఇంకొకటి సార్, ఏ గ్రూప్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 6 girls 9 boys. How many ways can a team of 6 members can selected? Team has at least 4 girls.
Correct. How many boys అండి?
6 girls
Boys.
9 boys sir.
9 boys and
6 girls.
ఏమంటాడు?
How many ways can a team of 6 members be selected?
6 members.
How many ways?
Okay.
Sir, in that at least 4 girls.
At least 4 girls. దాంట్లో 6 members ఉండాలి కదా మీరు చెప్పేది. రైట్.
అవును సార్, 6 members ఉండాలి.
అర్థమైంది నాకు. ఇక్కడ మనం బాయ్స్ గర్ల్స్ లో 4 ఉండాలి కనీసం. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ టోటల్ గర్ల్స్ హియర్ 9 boys. నేను ఏమంటున్నా అంటే మీరు 4 girls అంటున్నారు కాబట్టి అట్లీస్ట్ 4 కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 4 girls. కమిటీ కంటైన్స్ 6 members, 4 girls and 2 boys. 4 + 2 ఫస్ట్ కేస్. అండ్ సెకండ్ కేస్ 5 girls and 1 boy 5 + 2. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి జాబ్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఈ కేసులో థర్డ్ కేసు మనకి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాదు అవును, మీ క్వశ్చన్ బట్టి ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓన్లీ గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు థర్డ్ కేసు అవసరం లేదు. వీ కెన్ టేక్ దట్ 6 girls and 0 boys. అండ్ కమిటీ కంటైన్ బోత్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ మీన్స్ వీ వోంట్ టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ కేస్. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ కెన్ బి డన్ ఇన్ దీస్ 4 కెన్ బి సెలెక్టెడ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 6 girls boys. 6 girls in 6C4 into 9C2 ways. And second case here 6C5 into 9C1. That is your answer. 6C2 into 9C2, 6C4 into 9C2 plus 6C5 into 9C1. యాక్చువల్లీ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ కాబట్టి ఈ కేసు తీసుకోరండి. సో మీ క్వశ్చన్ కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. ఉన్నట్లయితే ఓన్లీ గర్ల్స్ అనే కేసు ఉన్నట్లయితే మాత్రం యూ కెన్ టేక్ 6 girls యాక్టివ్లీ. ఎక్కడైతే కండిషన్ ఉంటుందో ఆ కండిషన్ ఫస్ట్ కేసు తీసుకోండి, మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది. 4 ఆ కండిషన్ దగ్గర ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 girls 3 తీసుకోండి. ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళండి. ఆటోమేటిక్ టోటల్ మనకి మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి 4 + 2 6 అయిన దగ్గర మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్. ఓకేనండి, కాంబినేషన్ క్వశ్చన్ అండి ఇది ప్రాబబిలిటీగా.
ఓకే సార్.
సరే అండి, ఇంకో ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంది. In this we have binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Maybe we have binomial distribution. Right, sir?